Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter Westbury ceiling fan in antique brass. This fan features oak blades and cherry blades, and it has Hunter's 4-light kit, which I really like. This fan is from the 9th week of 2000, so it's pretty early. I think this fan would have been sold at Lowe's, and I think it would have came with a remote control, but I didn't get it with this one. I picked this thing up off the side of the road. Someone was storing it away. It came pretty much all sorry, the motorcycle's out there. Yeah, but it came pretty much all complete except for the down rod, but it was installed on a high ceiling before. So I guess the new owners used the old down rod for the new fan. But anyway, so yeah, this thing is from the 9th week of 2000. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, but here's the light. It did come with 3 light bulbs, and they all worked. There's that. And there's low speed. It also has a Hunter pull chain on it that says the logo Hunter. I didn't know they actually made them. Those are kind of interesting looking. It does have a generic Hunter motor, and it does not have an Air Max motor, but yep. Runs fairly silent though. Only vibrations are from the glass. That's about low speed. Here's medium. Some of the blades are out of clock, but surprisingly it doesn't wobble too much. About medium, there's high. It does kick out a pretty good breeze, you know. It is kind of restricted in here, but turn on some lights in here. I'm not sure if that's helping out or not. No, I think it is. There's the pull chain. I could have sworn I saw 2 of them, but I don't know, I might have been seeing things, so I picked it up. See the reverse side too well. There's the logo. And can't tell what the tag is, but anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.